Do you want to see how I transformed this messy month and a half old nails to this set of fabulous nails? All you gotta do is stay tuned. Okay, you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rose, and this is my very first YouTube video. Do you see these set of nails? They look crazy. We got to get these things done. So these nails been on for like a month and a half, guys. Probably even longer. And look how she take care of them. They are crazy looking. Like, how do they turn brown? This is my cousin. She is my practice hand through my whole nail journey. She's been my practice buddy. Like, oh my God. Well, I decided to take off all this mess. I've been recently, trying to make my rhinestones stay on super long. And as you can see, these flowers did not move for like forever. Like, she is the worst with nails. And y'all will hear me talk about my cousin. But listen, when you go through a journey together, you go through it together. But what matters is who's sticking out with you, right? But she will bang her nails all up. Like, the rhinestones, you see the color, everything. But these puppies stayed on super long. But as you can see, I'm going to take off, all this brown stuff and clean it up a bit, maybe extend them, refill. I'm not sure yet. But you guys, yeah, y'all can listen to some music while I get through this.
Wave, look, why you mad? Get to the bag. Long face, duck a case, get the cash. I've been living fast, still far from average. Real talk, all this shit is right outside what I imagine. Young, black, and raspy, catch me with a lab beyond. Nigga make the slap that make her body do magic. Won't stop till my bank account magnets. Looking like I'm still running paper routes backwards. Money bags, no advance, snap back like a rubber band. Pretty thing with a suntan, make it bounce back when she do the dance. Caught my song, we supposed to pick. See your things through a different lens. Living fast, only one chance. Never pants, how we do the plans. Right? I practice what I preach. They lie, you put her out my way, then get lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started.
Okay, so we got all that messed off, and I do not like it. It looks crazy. So I'm going to start over. So let's restart all this mess. So fresh and so clean. Yes, so I did the whole fresh set. Like, no, it had to go. Bye-bye. So as you can see, they're long, they're cute, they're Coffin. I did the pinkies, pointed. And you're going to see me lay some acrylic. I'm usually good with this because I work in a shop, but I'm nervous. This is my first video, record myself for real, so bear with me, honeys. But watch me lay this acrylic. Oh yes, and it's by Valentino. I love his stuff. And enjoy the rest of this track, cause baby. I know my high just started,
Wave, used to just wanna blend in. Big flex, how I do the syntax now that I got the attention. On the rig, you make it really hard, I just wanna be friends. Treat the night like a vignette for what's coming next, hard to see the end. Yeah, I tread water in the deep end. I'll die young and live plenty days on my defense. In real life, we just pretend, let them sleep in. We should life feeling like a never-ending repeat of the weekend.
Believe it.
Yeah, got it.
Switch up how I breathe every time I see it. Yeah.
I know just what you need, yeah, yeah. Here's the thing, I got you falling through for the weekend. Chance I put it down, how you need that?
Okay, so for this nail, I want to do like a marble effect with like some gold flakes. So as you can see me using some Valentino soft white, trying my best to make this a marble effect. I'm still learning how to do that, but it comes out nice. Once you add the flakes, like the end result comes out pretty.
I practice what I preach,
And I'm gonna encapsulate this
not sure what you wanted,
nail.
but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, but I hit a peak. Yeah.
And you know what? I decided to go and add a little white to it just so the marble could stand out a little more. And it actually comes out good. You can see like the marble effect more. But yeah, I'm gonna encapsulate this. And I shall do the same encapsulation for the other hand.
It ain't nobody realist, it's been added something rigorous. I traded in the cars, it was lost for the dividends. I'm calm, but the temperament been strong when I pencil in. Phone steady, jumping, screening calls like I'm flipping bricks. Got everybody tapping in, but you been kept it solid. When you look me in the eyes, subtle tell I know you got it. When you do the sauce, make me want it a la carte. Caught me looking at it like the bullseye of the target. Double tap it, since day one, but I'm seasoned. Put the work in off season. Talk like they ball hard, when all they really do is reach in. Limit time, hearing small talk. Speaking dreams to existence like a young king of the Lincoln. Big facts for the pretense. Link up, we can sync up. Been in the field off the long snap, back a big talk. Better sink in to the whole squad, get a ring ting. Let the ops tell us stinged in. Recent life feeling like a never ending repeat of the
Can't
weekend.
believe it.
Yeah. Life.
You switch up how I breathe every time I see it. Yeah. Knowing what you want, I know just what you need. Yeah, yeah. Here's the thing, I got you falling through for the weekend. Chance I put it down, how you need it. Bet I make it all, don't wanna leave it. You switch up how I breathe every time I see it. Yeah. Knowing what you want, I know just what you need. Yeah, yeah. Here's the thing, I got you falling through for the weekend. Chance I put it down, how you need it. Bet I make it all, don't wanna leave it.
Okay, so we're finally done and they're so cute. All right, on to the filing. So once I'm done, I usually like to use a hand file them by hand, because if you lay your acrylic down good, you really don't have to use the drill that much. Like, I just sharpen up the shape, go over my cuticles, you know, make sure my apex is built good. Make sure, you know, it's looking a little flawless victory. And I go through all my nails like that. As you can see, look, nice little buff. It's good. And that cuts down a lot of the time. So just perfect it, go through each nail, and honey, ooh, you see that nail? Sis, I'm gonna go through and show you how I go through all the nails. Well, basically, I'm just gonna go through all the nails, hand file them, and clean them up. So, if you went to school for nails, they teach you how to do a full set of nails using only a nail file first. Before you even get to use a drill, you must know how to use a hand file first. And if you can't do that, you really cannot do nails. I'm just saying, because if push come to shove, you don't have a drill, could you do a full set? That goes to show who can do some nails, honey. long time because once I got to the drill, I was using the drill for everything all the time. And then the better I got with laying my beads, my acrylic, I didn't use the drill that much. Okay, so here I'm gonna go over all the nails with the E-file now. I usually just go over the cuticle area just to clean it up. Make sure everything's symmetrical so that way when you do your gel polish, it just flows on. Because that's when problems arise, when like everything is all discombobulated. If everything is laid properly, everything will flow properly. I will go through all these nails and we can move on to the polish, the fun part. And excuse my nails. Like, why is one nail painted and the other one is looking crazy? They both look crazy. I usually wear gloves. I don't even know why I'm not wearing gloves for this first video. Like, safety comes first with me. That's weird. And I go and buff all the nails, you know, finish them off. Ugh, you can see my henna. Yes, I do a lot of practicing. I do a lot of henna. You'll get to know me as you follow the journey with me. And you'll get to see some cool, awesome things. And I get a chance to get to know my viewers. Okay, so on to the polish. We are all finished with the application. They are ready to go. Polish time. Okay, so for the pinky, I decided to use like this gold. I should have put like a base gold and then put glitter on top because it's kind of like transparent. Then for this next nail, I wanted to put like Louis Vuitton little stickers. And as you can see, I did not know how to use them because I put gel down and then trying to stick them on there. Later in the video, you'll see that all I had to do was like stick them on there and they stuck. Long as it's a rough surface that they can adhere to, perfect. But they're on there because they're gelled down. They're not moving anywhere. I went and added another coat. Yeah, I added a few coats to the gold just to make it like bold enough. So for this gold flake nail, I'm just going to leave it as it is and top coat it. I was inspired by a picture I seen on the internet, and silly me, I forgot to take the phone out the frame, so I had to blur out my phone throughout this clip for copyrighted reasons. I'm so silly. But I decided to use like this fuchsia pink, which is so pretty, and you can't go wrong. Pink and gold. I'm going to do like a marble effect. You'll see as I get through the video. And I'm using acrylic paint. Like I moved on. Like I use gel polishes, but acrylic paint for when you do nail art and stuff, it works like magic. It dries easily. All you have to do is top coat it, cure it, and bam. Thank you, ma'am.
Right, I practice what I preach. They lie and put around my way, then get lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, better hit a peak, yeah. Wave, used to just wanna blend in. Big flex, how I do the syntax now that I got the attention. On the rig, you make it really hard, I just wanna be friends. Treat the night like a vignette for what's coming next, hard to see the end. Yeah, I tread water in the deep end. I'll die young and live plenty days on my defense. In real life, just pretend, let them sleep in. We should life feeling like a never-ending repeat of the weekend.
Okay, so I went over each of the pink nails with the top coat just to still in the acrylic paint. Now I'm gonna go over each pink nail with the matte just to give it like a matte effect. Yeah, I really like the matte nails. My cousin hates them. I love them. So here I'm going to apply a little foil gel because I want to put like a gold border around the marble effect I'm gonna put in the middle. And as I'm looking for my gold foil, I cannot find it nowhere. Like, huh. So I decided to use the gold flakes from earlier. I had to improvise. And actually, it's coming out really good, like really bomb. And it looks just as good as if I would have put the foil on. So hey, it worked. So for the design, I chose to go with like a pink muddy color just to contrast the pinks. And I'm gonna put like some white to do like the marble effect. And it actually came out really pretty, like really cool. Add a little white, bring out the marble. Look how pretty it looks. You like? Make sure y'all comment too, cause I need all the criticism, the good, the bad, the ugly, and the dramatic. But yes, I'm gonna continue this.
Switch up how I breathe every time I see it. Yeah. Knowing what you want, I know just what you need. Yeah. Yeah. Here's the thing, I got you falling through for the weekend. Chance I put it down, how you need it. Bet I make it all, don't wanna leave.
It ain't nobody realist, it's been added something rigorous. I traded in the cars, it was lost for the dividends. I'm calm, but the temperament been strong when I pencil in. Phone steady jumping, screening calls like I'm flipping bricks. Got everybody tapping in, but you been kept it solid. When you look me in the eyes, subtle tell I know you got it. When you do the sauce, make me want it a la carte. Got me looking at it like the bullseye of the target. Double tap it. Since day one, but I'm seasoned. But the working off season. Talk like they ball hard, when all they really do is reach in. Limit time, hearing small talk. Speaking dreams to existence like a young king at the Lincoln. Big facts for the pretense. Link up, we can sync up.
Alright, so we're basically almost finished. I'm gonna go and top coat just the marble area, because remember the rest was matte. So I'm just gonna top coat just the marble area. And also, I'm going to top coat the rest of the nails that didn't get a chance to get top coated. And we're done. And again, my name is Rose, and this was my very first YouTube video. So make sure you guys, I want to know what you guys think. Like, I want to hear all the constructive criticism you guys had for me, okay? So make sure you guys subscribe. Come on, join the team. I'm gonna call us a team, okay? And we're gonna go through this journey together. So if you want to be a part of the team, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you comment and like and share. And thanks for watching my video. Oh yeah, and this part, I'm trying to upgrade my Instagram and get these poses down pat. And I was trying backgrounds and stuff like that. I want y'all to comment and tell me which background was better. Like the pink, the glitter, the iridescent. What poses you think would have been better? Let me know. And make sure you follow me on all social media platforms.